This is another video in our series on legal current affairs where we are covering important legal current affairs for your law entrance exam point of view. So if you're preparing for any of these examinations where legal current affairs is a part of the syllabus, these videos are important for you guys. Hi everyone and welcome to Law Digest. I'm Ayushi, your mentor for law entrance exams. Here you are seeing question number 1. So basically we keep discussing 10 questions in one video. Now, in case you've missed out on any of the videos, you can go and check the playlist section where I'll be putting all these in the legal current affairs playlist. Now, question number 1. The Judges Bill was introduced by the Union Law Minister. पहले तो Union Law Minister कौन है? Who is the Union Law Minister? Kiran Rijiju. Now, this Judges Bill, what does it pertain to? It pertains to changes in the salaries and conditions of service of the judges of Supreme Court and High Court. So this bill was introduced. This bill was introduced in Lok Sabha by the Law Minister. Moving forward, question number 2. Central government noted in Lok Sabha that there is no proposal under its consideration to do away with what? To do away with the sedition law. You must have seen that recently the court was looking into the matter that sedition law should be abolished because there was a plea that it is very colonial law, ये Britishers के time का law है and it needs to be repealed because आज की date में it does not hold any good. As you can see that a lot of people have been convicted under this law and it's very dangerous. Now, what is sedition law? Section 124A of the IPC deals with sedition law. Sedition, you must know what sedition is. It's basically when you are speaking through words or conduct, you are creating feelings of enmity, disharmony towards the government, toward inciting hatred amongst people towards the government, then it amounts to sedition. However, what will not be sedition? If you are basically disapproving any measures taken by the government or disapproving any policy, expressing your disagreement, then that is not sedition. इसके रिस्पेक्ट में भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट्स हैं. वन इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट इज केदारनाथ सिंह का जजमेंट एंड आई हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस मेनी अ टाइम्स. जब भी सेडिशन लॉ का केस आता है आई हैव ऑलवेज डिस्कस्ड दिस जजमेंट. Now let's move forward. Which bill was passed by Rajya Sabha for dam safety? Dam safety के लिए पास करा गया है डैम सेफ्टी बिल 2021. ये बिल पास करा गया because basically these dams are very old. They are 100 years old and to maintain these dams, this bill has been passed. Next, National Commission of Women has launched a program. Now, what is this program called? It is basically a program for building capacity for women in politics. The program is called She is Changemaker. This is the name of the program that has been launched. National Commission of Women की chairperson कौन है? Comment box, do let me know. You should know the names of these important constitutional, non-constitutional bodies. You should know people who are heading these bodies. Then next, Union Cabinet has approved a bill on electoral reform, which seeks to amend what? We are seeing a lot of things related to elections are happening. A lot of bills are being passed. Basically, now this bill is seeking to amend the Representation of People's Act 1952. Recently we've seen the election bill as well, and I had covered this specifically on my Instagram account. If you're not following us there, go visit and you will find a lot of important legal current affairs, lot of good legal content there, and it will help you in case you will follow. Apart from obviously not just, I'm not saying this only to increase my following, but as I'm also telling you this because if you're preparing for exams or basically you are interested in law in general as well, then we keep posting a lot of content after doing a lot of research, and we keep covering important bills that keep coming up, important judgments, any important legal update or legal case studies, any circumstances, we keep discussing those there. So it will be good if you follow us there. Next, union government has approved to increase the age of marriage of women. विमेन की एज ऑफ मैरिज का अभी आपने देखा ही था, ये भी मैंने कवर किया था। गवर्नमेंट ने अप्रूव किया है कि 18 से 21 इसकी मैरिजेबल एज जो है वो 18 से 21 कर दी जाए। दिस हैज बीन कवर्ड बाय मी इन डिटेल ऑलरेडी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। आई पोस्टेड ऑन माय कम्युनिटी पोस्ट ऑन यूट्यूब एज वेल, so do go and check that if you are not aware of the same. Then next, Supreme Court has mandated Madhya Pradesh government to conduct municipal polls. So there was one news relating to Madhya Pradesh government. MP की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया, he is a prominent leader there and he resigned after his long association with Congress. He resigned. Following him, a lot of other MLAs, I think 16 MLAs further resigned in MP. Then next, इंडिया का फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल आर्बिट्रेशन एंड मीडिएशन सेंटर जो क्रिएट हुआ है, इसको इनॉग्रेट किसने किया? दिस वाज इनॉग्रेटेड बाय चीफ जस्टिस NV Ramana. Next, arbitration mediation is basically an ADR process, alternate dispute resolution mechanism, wherein what happens is that the disputes, they don't go to the court, they are settled outside the court. That is the whole process. Department of Justice has launched Dash to provide pre-litigation advice to people to address their problems. This is what program? This is Tele-Laws on Wheel. This has been launched. So basically ताकि timely resolution हो सके disputes का, इसलिए ये program launch किया गया है. Next, UN Security Council adopted the resolution 2601 for protection of education in what kind of conflict? Armed, Navy, Air Defense. This was a unanimous resolution that came from Union SC जो है Security Council. कितने members हैं? 15 members का unanimous resolution था on this aspect. Do study UN as well. It's an important, especially if you're preparing for DU LLB, UN becomes an important topic. Keep studying about the bodies of the UN. And now this was basically relating to recruitment and use of children in armed conflict, and iske respect mein ye resolution aaya hai. With this, we come to the end of this video. In case you're liking this series and you're not presently a subscriber of this channel, then please, that is the least you can do, subscribe to the channel, not just for my good, but also for your own good, because we keep posting a lot of legal content here as well as on our Instagram page. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon, press the bell icon, so that as and when we come out with a video, आपको immediately notification आ जाए and we can connect better.